guys, Pat again here with Bay and Bay. This time I brought Ayla. Today we are going to be talking about positive feedback. We've talked about customer communication, positive feedback before. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about the drivers. I would like to personally shout out Eric Roach. He is one of our drivers based out of Illinois. He over communicated today on 2 loads that had different PO numbers with trailers that didn't match. Got on the phone, started talking to people, and he was able to decipher that whole problem for us without even having to reach out to us. So that's something that he was able to do on his own, and definitely deserves some feedback for that. Ayla, do you have anything to add?
So I'm a CSA here at Bay and Bay, and one of the biggest parts of my job is monitoring temperatures of trailers. So I go through a list of usually close to 100 different loads that are moving throughout the country, and I check to make sure that the temperature is correct. So a lot of that has to do with communication with fleet managers, and then the fleet managers communicating with drivers. But towards the end of the day, when the fleet managers are wrapping up their day and they have a lot going on, I end up stepping outside of my customer service role, and I step into almost a fleet manager position, and I communicate with the drivers directly. And I wanted to shout out all of the drivers that I've had phone calls with in the last few months. I've really enjoyed our conversations. You guys have always picked up within the first couple rings. You're always answering my questions with detailed answers, and you seem genuinely happy to give me the information that I need, and you are always happy to help and make sure that this load gets delivered the way that it's supposed to. And I really appreciate that, because in this industry we don't have a lot of face-to-face communication, and I think that shouting people out is really important so that everyone feels that sense of community within the company.
It's a really good point. And it is nice to be able to have actual examples of the Bay and Bay way, where you see that our drivers are going that extra mile to provide the service communication that we need, and positive feedback like that should definitely be given to those drivers. Definitely helps keep them happy and let them know how much we appreciate them here at Bay and Bay.